Hi there, this is a review and a demonstration on the Autoglym glass polish. So it's an alternative product to the Autoglym fast glass. I tend to use this more so if it being a mobile valeter, if it been out and about, if it's too hot where I'm spraying the fast glass on the glass and it's just evaporating straight away. I tend to switch over to this. It can be a little bit powdery when you're trying to buff it off, but it's also very good. The fast glass won't shift. Sometimes when you spray it on, you can still see a little bit smeary. Maybe if there's a little bit sort of like a greasy product, or maybe customer previously has maybe sprayed, or another valeting company, or a sprayed sort of silicone based spray on the dashboard, like some of them, like the dashboard shine, and it just sprays up onto the glass a little bit. It's not overly noticeable if it's not rubbed, but when you sort of start trying to clean it, if it's on there a little bit, something that's silicone based, it can sometimes you need something a bit better to take it off, and that's where I use it on. That's a glass that's either too hot, or if it's a little bit smeary after it's been cleaned with a sort of like greasy silicone product. So what I do is, this is just a polishing pad, so I put a little bit on, don't put too much on. So for the purpose of this video demonstrating, I'm going to do it on the inside of my van. You can see that I'm just going to do it in circles, trying to avoid trying to get it on the rubber part, because once it dries, when it gets onto rubber, it can be a bit of a bugger getting off. So I'll just do half of the glass. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's dried off enough now. Hopefully you can see it. That's where it is, that's where it's not. So I'm now going to buff it off, so it can be a little bit dusty. So if you're doing it on the inside of, say, your front windscreen, you're going to more than likely probably get a little bit of dust in, sort of fall onto the dash. So it might be an idea if you're going to use this product and you're also going to clean your dashboard with something that's, to make it shiny, it's better to do the glass first, and then wipe the dust off with a microfiber, and then put your dashboard stuff on after. There we go. So I normally do it once, flip it, the microfiber over, do it again. You're probably not going to see any difference before and after with the glass, but it's just for the just demonstration on how to use. It's a pretty good product. It's also got a very distinctive smell. It's not to everybody's, it's not a horrible smell, but you'll either like it or you won't, but there is a distinctive smell. If you put it done all the glass on the inside of your vehicle, you're going to smell it a little bit. So there we go. That's just a demonstration on the Autoglym car glass polish, an alternative to Autoglym fast glass. It's definitely worth getting. The price of it's not too bad really for what you get, and it does last a long time. So if you visit Halfords and you're getting some fast glass, it might be worth picking some of this up, because come sort of summertime, if you want to clean your car and you can't get it under shade, or you can't do it early morning or late evening, and the fast glass is evaporating too quickly and you need to clean your glass, this would be a alternative product. But if you do use it in heat, what I would also suggest is maybe only do sort of the screen and then maybe the side window, and then get that done, and then move on to the rear, like the passenger rear glass, and maybe the sort of rear glass, do it in sort of, don't put it on and inside the whole of the vehicle all the way around, or even on the outside, just do a couple of bits of glass at a time, because with a lot of these products it does say that not to use in extreme heat, or in heat, but if you haven't got the shade, and you can't do it early morning, late evening. Sometimes you don't have a lot of choice. There we go. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment. Maybe look around the channel for other uploads. It might be something that might interest you. Thank you. Have a good day.